sobrang fulfilling yung feeling.
So after you join the tribe and from someone who was struggling to find clients and all, ngayon ito na nga nakapag-ipon ka na 1 million pesos in savings. So anong feeling na dati may 2,000 ka? So 2,095.
Ano naman, actually sobrang sobrang fulfilling yung feeling. Hindi lang masaya, fulfilling talaga. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na aabot ako dito. In this span of time right now, ayun, parang nag-fast forward yung buhay ko.
Ilang taon ka ba ngayon, Joshua?
25 pa lang.
Bukod sa 1M na savings, si Joshua ngayon ay nagpapagawa ng sariling bahay, tama ba?
Yeah.
Galing. So the decision came kasi nga, obviously, okay ng inflow ng income sa business and you're able to afford na yung mga ganitong bagay. At yung problema niya before na wala siyang yung kanyang 5-year-old computer, obviously napalitan na rin niya yun, di ba?
Yeah.
So you now have your own. Mukhang maganda nga may mga pa-mic pa si Joshua no?
Yeah, may naman, may sariling set na din, may MacBook na din.
Yun, para for when you're going out and you need to work out.